nuCamp 2022 Cirrus 820 is a non-slide, hardside truck camper designed for short bed trucks, 3/4 ton or 1 ton. It is popular for its off-grid capabilities and all-weather features. Overall length, 17 feet 5 inches. Overall width, 8 feet 3 inches. Overall height, 9 feet 8 inches. Interior height, 78 inch. Weight, dry weight, without propane, fluids, cargo, etc., is 3,045 pounds. Main bed, 60 inch x 78 second sleeping area. Cortes 17 Camper is a 17-foot, lightweight, fiberglass travel trailer designed for easy towing by SUVs and many crossovers. It is a good option for campers who prioritize maneuverability and fuel efficiency. Length, 17 feet. Width, 6 feet 8 inches. Height, 8 feet 11 inches. Dry weight, 2,880 pounds. Sleeps 2 comfortably, with a dinette that can potentially convert to sleep an additional person. Kitchen, includes a 3-burner stovetop, oven, refrigerator with separate freezer, microwave, and stainless steel sink. Bathroom, a roomy wet bath with a stand-up shower, porcelain toilet, and stainless steel sink. Marine-grade gel coat interior that is easy to clean. 4.5 cubic feet. Timbercraft Big Sky is a spacious and modern tiny home built by Timbercraft TinyHomes, based in Guntersville, Alabama. It is designed to evoke a rustic yet refined aesthetic inspired by Western Montana architecture. Size, 41.4 feet, 12.6 meters, long and 9.8 feet, 2.9 meters, wide, with 399 square feet of living space. Exterior, horizontal metal siding with cedar accents, black-clad windows, and a shed-style roof. Interior, shiplap walls, hardwood floors, and stained tongue and groove ceilings. Layout: master bedroom with a built-in king-size bed and dual nightstands. Spacious bathroom with a walk-in tiled shower, a vessel sink, and a stacking washer and dryer. Living area. Severn Lamb double-deck trolley is a luxurious and eye-catching passenger transportation option designed for parks, shopping centers, and even cities. It provides a unique historical passenger experience, while offering modern amenities. Double-decker design provides increased passenger capacity compared to single-deck trolleys. Historical style features brass, hard-wearing wood, and classic design elements to create a charming aesthetic. Modern touches can incorporate modern features like LED exterior lighting for a touch of electric-powered, runs on a clean, quiet, and efficient battery electric drive system. High capacity, can seat up to 58 passengers comfortably. Customization options, available in single or double-deck variants, with open, semi-open, open, or enclosed. STX Volvo FH 540 is not a standard Volvo FH 540 truck, but rather a Volvo FH chassis modified by a company called STX for a specific purpose. Here's what we can determine about the STX Volvo FH 540. Base: it uses the Volvo FH 540 chassis, which is a heavy-duty truck known for its power, durability, and driver comfort. The number 540 likely refers to the horsepower of the engine, 540 horsepower. Modification by STX. STX is a company that specializes in customizing vehicles, particularly for horse transportation. So, the STX Volvo FH 540 is most likely a horse truck. Focus on comfort. Houseboat Classic 180 is a spacious and modern houseboat designed for year-round living or use as an office on the water. Length, 20 meters, 65.6 feet. Beam, width 9 meters, 29.5 feet. Total area, 450 square meters, 4,844 square feet, which is quite large, offering ample living space. Cruising speed, 10 kilometers per hour, 6.2 miles per hour. Maximum speed, 16 kilometers per hour, 10 miles per hour. Number of engines, can be equipped with 2 engines ranging from 100 to 250 horsepower each. Classic rectangular form, offers a timeless design aesthetic. Wide overhangs, protect the windows from sun. CMC ALUNA Motorhome is a product of CMC Caravan, an Italian company known for crafting luxurious home trailers and special vehicles. Luxury on wheels. Similar to other CMC vehicles, we can expect the ALUNA to be a high-end motorhome with top-of-the-line finishes, comfortable accommodations, and potentially cutting-edge technology for entertainment and convenience. Spacious design. The glimpse of the ALUNA's interior in the video suggests a spacious living area. CMC's focus on customization. CMC is known for creating bespoke motorhomes tailored to the specific needs and desires of the customer, so the ALUNA's layout, amenities, and even size could vary depending on the owner's preferences. Familiarizing yourself with other CMC creations can give you a general idea of the quality. Mars15 Premium is a hybrid caravan, trailer, made by Mars Campers, an Australian company specializing in campers and caravans. It's designed for off-road adventures and combines features of a pop-up camper with the comfort and amenities of a caravan. Sleeps comfortably with a king-size bed and potentially additional bunks depending on the specific layout. Pop-up roof design allows for quick setup and take-down. Mud terrain tires for better traction on rough roads. Increased ground clearance likely due to its design. Ensuite bathroom with shower, toilet, and sink. Dometic Harrier light air conditioner for climate control. Truma rapid hot water system for showers and washing dishes. 2x135Ah lithium batteries for powering appliances. 400W solar panel. PODX GO Grande S1 is a unique folding tiny home that offers the benefits of a trailer with the spaciousness of a small house. Folding design, expands to triple its size when deployed, creating a much larger living space than when it's being towed. Towable, can be towed by a Super Duty pickup truck like a Ford F-250. Easy setup, automatic hydraulic system allows for deployment and leveling at the push of a button, with a setup time of around 15 minutes. Compact when folded. In travel mode, it measures 19 feet 7 inches long, 11 feet 6.2 inches high, and 7 feet 4.6 inches wide, approximately 6 meters long, 3.5 meters high, and 2.3 meters wide. Spacious when unfolded, offers 364 square feet. Microhaus is a self-sufficient tiny home designed and built by House.me, a company that focuses on creating high-tech and luxurious tiny homes. These tiny homes are designed to be ready to move in as soon as they are delivered and can be placed on or off the grid. Size. They are small in size, with a starting footprint of approximately 120 square feet, 11 square meters. Durability. They are built with a fiberglass composite structure and designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. Luxury interior. Despite the small size, the interiors are designed to be luxurious and comfortable, featuring high-end finishes and appliances. Smart home technology. Microhaus integrates smart home technology allowing for features like voice-controlled lighting and climate control. Pre-furnished. They come. VARIO Signature 1200 is a luxurious and high-performance motorhome built by VARIO Mobile, a renowned German manufacturer known for their craftsmanship and innovation in the RV industry. Imposing size, with a length of 12 meters, 39.4 feet, and a weight of 26 tons, 28.7 tons, it offers ample living space and a commanding presence on the road. 3 axles and self-steering trailing axle for better maneuverability despite its size. Constructed with a self-supporting fiberglass sandwich body for durability and potentially improved fuel efficiency compared to traditional RV materials, spacious interior, offers ample living space for comfortable living on the go. High-end finishes and materials, you can expect.